Welcome back to Sawdust and Lug Nuts. We're back here at Panguitch on this job. We provided the mantles, the doors, and the aspen railing. And I just wanted to introduce this video and let you know what's going on. The other day when we were up here wrapping this job up, we decided to take a little pit stop on the way home. We're really close to Bryce Canyon. So we stopped and seen a really good friend of mine who owns just a world-renowned wildlife museum. We're here at Bryce Wildlife Adventure with Robert Drydonk. He is a Dutchman, and I don't speak Dutch, so when he talks bad about me, I don't really say it.
That's the only way I can keep them controlled. But this museum is mainly about conservation.
Nice pedestal.
Yes.
I built that.
Yes, he did. Everything in this museum is real. There's cactuses, plants, beaver dam, chippings, baby beavers nursing under the mother. The whole entire museum is all the animals.
You got a Gila monster, turtles, roadrunner, all the animals
everything
is
is
real. And then who did the art? Who painted that?
A good friend of mine, Brian Wignall, he's a wildlife artist. He's done duck stamps, paintings for Bureau of Land Management. I got one upstairs, it's cool. Beaver Dam had to go in the mountains, get the chippings, rebuild, put all these in backpacks and mules, and just to get that out of the, but that's why every.
Look at the baby beavers.
And you can't hunt babies, but I did a C-section on beaver. Fish and Game brought me, and I had 4 kids in it. I had died in the sun. And I've got a couple of baby mountain lions that I did a C-section on that was hit by the highway, a female. And when they skinned it, I got the babies.
Okay.
Hi, this is our famous retired biologist in Garfield County. But everything like there's an Arizona scene. Here's mountain lions. Why don't you take a quick look and check it out? We have all the birds of prey.
So you know
Upstairs there are 1,600 butterflies. We have an African room, Alaska. We've got seashells, Indian artifacts. It just goes on and on. But yeah, the taxidermy is superb, and it's all about conservation instead of that growling stuff.
So look at this. There's the baby. Look at the baby mountain lions.
Those are adorable. Kind of creepy looking.
They're all eyeball, aren't they?
Yeah.
And the little chipmunks.
Those are cute.
Rock chucks, woodchucks.
Huh.
Another squirrel. I think this is my most favorite scene right here, the snow scene. You got the little martins. The bigger, those are weasels, I believe. You got the woodpecker, all the bobcats, and he's catching a duck.
Huh.
How cool is that?
That is cool.
Coyotes eating quail.
Skunk.
Got a javelina.
Javelina. Where are those? Aren't those like the ones? Where are they from?
No, actually, I think that's a Russian boar.
Oh.
But this is a javelina right here. Look at this cute little guy.
Did they go and find poop?
Yeah,
Whoops.
he packed all this in. There's a coos deer.
Holy crap, they got a stink bug. That's what a coos deer is?
That's a coos.
They're adorable.
They're no bigger than a dog.
They're cute.
You got a king snake. There's that badger. Those things are mean.
Yeah, no. Any badger from
Gila
America are
monster.
terrifying.
So here's the big crocodile. Check this thing out.
That's huge. I've never seen
That
one.
thing could eat your lunch.
And it eat you for lunch, not eat your lunch. It just eat you.
Here's the devil ram. Check that out.
That is super cool.
He's a Jacob ram.
I want one as a pet.
I know where they're at.
I want one.
No
Go.
bigger than a German Shepherd.
Just a little bit bigger. It's pretty tall.
Not much. So the fallow deer, like that one.
What?
I used to be the largest fallow deer breeder in Utah.
They're horns. That's
We're
weird.
gonna go see some right out here live. You can feed them.
What?
He's got a whole pen full.
Huh.
So you got all your waterfowl, ducks and geese and coots and Just all kinds of cool stuff.
All the birds,
More bobcats,
little kitties.
quails, bears, a couple of pine hen or spruce. Those are the sage hen, I believe.
Wow.
And then right here, your speed goats.
Speed goats. These are cool.
Yeah. And you got the buck and the doe. And look at the little rats and
Lizards.
lizards and jackrabbits. I mean, he's got it all. Got your leopard
Leopard.
or a cheetah. Might have been a cheetah. My kids love this one.
Whoa.
Look at the giraffe neck.
What is that thing?
That's a wildebeest.
That is. He looks like
That's
he's
the
got a
gray one.
pancake on his face.
The
It's a
sable,
giraffe.
The oryx.
Dude, giraffes are huge. I did not realize
Yeah.
their necks were that big. This.
Could you imagine meeting one of these in the bush? Monitor lizard, I believe that's what that's called.
Huh.
Ostriches. Look at those cute little ostriches.
I don't know about cute. Those are a little creepy.
And then these baboons. They say they are mean in the bush.
Baboons
They'll
are
attack you.
really mean.
Then you got your sable. Some baby baboons. That's a baby warthog playing with the fox. And these are all African animals. Got the mongoose, the meerkat.
The meerkat. That's
King,
amazing.
King Julian
King Julian.
from Madagascar. Then you got guinea hens. And you got the dik-dik. Then you got a bush pig. They come out of Africa.
Wow.
Look
What
at these little rodents.
what a greatly thought out name. It comes from a forest, so they call it a bush pig.
And then check this out. That seems
Whoa.
cool.
Porcupine.
Porcupine. And that's a freaking rat.
Dude, that's like a bunny and a rat mixed
Yeah.
together. That's quite big. Imagine cars getting infested with those. There would be no wiring. They would eat it all.
Then you've got the hyena. What's the name of that?
Black
I think
jackal?
it might be.
Lynx? I'm just reading off the name tags. I have no idea.
It's the lynx. It's the caracal lynx.
Holy crap, there's a buffalo. That's a big.
Oh, there's a hole upstairs to this thing.
Let's go up.
He's got the largest butterfly collection in the world.
What is that?
This is amazing, Robert. I'm at awe every time I come in here.
I just kept, and I ran out of room. But we just shot, we're hoping for National Geographic. We shot 57 days of photography in here.
Wow.
Each single animal and each diorama. So we're in the process of it, and it'll be in 3 languages.
Wow.
You know,
English, Spanish.
yeah, English, German, and Dutch, I think.
Okay. You get quite a few visitors.
Oh,
That's
this
good.
is not good. Really good, to be honest with you.
So here's the prairie dogs. Got a rattler, another badger, horny toad, and
A tarantula.
a tarantula. Bluegill, turtles, and raccoons.
And a spotted skunk. Why is it so cute?
I don't know.
It's not supposed to be cute. That's just supposed to be stinky.
Look at that critter taking down an antelope.
Those things are big. I don't think I'd ever want to meet one of those face to face.
Oh, look at all those lures.
Here comes a fishing guy. Look at that fishing pole. That thing's old.
Yeah.
That's a big fish.
So
and it's-
these,
Look at the teeth on that thing.
yeah, we catch grouper.
Holy
Down
crap.
in Mexico, we're gonna catch some of those.
Mexico has scary looking fish.
So these, I guess, the dark colored, so these are European.
Wow.
These are Indonesia. More Indonesia. More Indonesia. There must be a lot of butterflies in Indonesia. 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 South America.
Whoa.
Look how fluorescent those are.
That's a monochrome butterfly.
Those are so pretty.
Dude. Hope this is coming out all right on camera. Let's get a...
South America.
Whoa.
Aren't those pretty?
They're like
Yeah,
monochrome.
this was before computers. I mean, it was computers, but like these we had to do at PDQ, you know, wherever the brown is.
Yeah,
area.
I just noticed that.
The more humidity, the more bigger the butterfly, the more beautiful it's. They're just awesome.
Yeah, those are so amazing.
And I think there's close to 1,600 of them. And no mistakes.
South America.
Yeah, nicknames, bow ties.
So let me ask you this, was all 1,600 species on the Noah's Ark, or did they all come from a subspecies?
No, they had to fly their way. And a whole bunch in cocoon style.
Probably.
Yeah, that was a tough one.
South
Actually, that's one
America.
of the hardest questions I ever had in a long time. What's cool is like the butterflies, this is the underside. And this is the male underside, turned one upside down.
Oh, okay, so you've got
That
the under.
scares off the birds.
Yeah. So we're gonna catch some of those next week.
Those are in
red
Florida?
Snapper. No, there's red snapper in the Sea of Cortez as well.
These butterflies
Sheephead.
are 56.
That's ugly.
Yeah.
That's a goofy looking fish.
Then bite you.
That's a tiny one.
Yeah.
Those
These are all
really
North
small.
America there.
Yeah, well, at your water tank, when you fill it up, you always see
Yeah,
them
I've
on
seen
top.
those.
Yeah.
Why are our butterflies so underwhelming?
Well, you know, we have a state that isn't constant humid.
Asia.
We have four seasons. Like the first case of
Whoa,
butterflies.
Look at that.
yeah.
Wow.
That's the oldest butterfly
How old is it?
from 1901.
Are you
And the
serious?
names and where they come from is all on the background. It's small writing. And
So
it's
you've
all
had
legible.
that was taken 100 and something years ago.
Yeah,
Wow.
122. Tessaby, Cocarda beast. See, these are all wildebeest too, but this is a blue, that's a black, and then there's the white bearded with white hair. 4 species.
Wow. Are they all on the same
See, and I don't,
continent, Africa?
yeah, all
Wait,
this is, and
is
what
this
I
a
don't
speed
like is
goat?
all this,
No.
I was gonna say it's got racing stripes.
You
yeah,
never heard an antelope called the speed goat till last week.
It's funny.
That's rare.
You think they named the scimitar oryx after this horn? Looked like a scimitar sword. How old are these? Are they Stone Age? Like 10,000,
No,
20,000?
They would be mainly right after Anasazi Paiutes mainly
Oh, so
used them.
400
a
or
lot.
500 years?
Uh,
Well, they were,
no, not
Anasazi
longer
was
than
1,200, right?
It can be a lot older.
I never realized how big
Will
bullet
you-
ants are.
Okay.
Those are huge. I know they're painful when they bite you.
Definitely. That's the largest grasshopper in the world. Largest cicada there. Largest cockroach, the bullet ant.
Pack the bomb.
That's a cool tarantula. It's all
We'll do
fuzzy.
hot dogs instead.
Oh wow, that one's
That's the
huge.
same tarantula.
Oh.
2 years later, they shed like a snake.
Yeah.
And he pulled its cap off and.
And
that's
those
in
are
2
the
years
ones
later.
that knock down birds. Those things are hardcore. Look at this. Clayton, it's a gold beetle.
That's why I started, because of that one. See the pictures that came out in National Geographic, and that's been a long time ago. In 2001, I still have the book, and they talked about they were worried about they might get extinct, but there's so many million on the ground, and they keep hatching, and there's no roads to get them. But that guy offered me $1,000, 500, 300. That was
Years
20
ago.
20 years ago. So I decided to do all the bugs.
Look how fluorescent those are.
Yeah, those
Wow.
are the morphos. And there's just like across the way, You look at all the butterflies.
Yeah.
You see how shiny those are.
What's this thing? That little stinger-looking unit.
It's a wasp.
We have those here.
Those are scary-looking
Something
things.
similar to that.
Yeah, look out.
Yeah, I know. I've ran into them before.
Yeah, I don't like wasps. Ooh, turtles. Well, the shells.
Look at the size of that antelope.
I know, it looks like he's losing a little bit of...
That's the biggest one in Africa, isn't it?
Yes.
The eland? Well, I have company and I'm supposed to cook dinner, so we may have to come look at your live deer another time. So we really hope you enjoyed the video today. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.